In this video, I'll go over how to convert text to number in LibreOffice Calc. Hi, my name is Michael with Office Nifty. I make quick tips and video tutorials on how to use Calc software. So I'll head over to my second sheet. Here I just have two columns of numbers, nothing special here. So if you have a sheet where your texts are in numbers, normally it wouldn't look like this because here it's right justified by default. I'll show you how you can change it to text format first and then how to change it back. So here under Format Cells, under the Numbers tab, I could choose Text and then click OK. So now we know it's text and it's left justified. For example, here, if I just type in some words, it's typically left justified for words. Now in column D, it's same thing, left justified. And here, these numbers have leading zeros, and I purposely set it that way. And if you notice in the formula bar, there's an apostrophe or a tick mark before the zeros. That lets Calc know that you want to keep it as leading zeros, and then Calc will treat this as text. This is common when storing zip codes or maybe some sort of identification numbers or barcode numbers where the leading zeros matter because those number formats are usually set character lengths as a standard within the industry. So I'll show you how to change both into numbers. So here in column B, the easy way is what I did in order to change this to text, but instead now we go back to the same tab and then we can change it to number, and we can choose a specific type of format if we wanted to, but I'll just leave it as general and choose OK. So now these are back into the number format. Now here it's a little more tricky, and we'll use find and replace to basically remove the apostrophe in the front. Then Calc will automatically put it into a number format. So without doing find and replace, if I just type in 001 and press enter, Calc actually gets rid of the leading zeros and then just sets it as a number. So to get to the find and replace dialog, we can go to edit, find and replace. Alternately, there's a keyboard shortcut which is Control and H. And here in the dialog, I already typed in the first part for find. Now this looks a little bit strange, and that's because it's using something called regular expressions. I won't get into explaining regular expressions in this video, but it's basically a way to let Calc know what to search for based on using different symbols or brackets to represent various outcomes. But in short, what this is saying, find anything that has a number from 0 to 9 within the cell and then some character in the beginning. It may or may not need to be a character, but there could be, and if it finds that match, then we can target it. So for replace, we'll use the ampersand symbol. So when you want to try this on your own, just type in exactly as you see it. So this symbol is sort of a caret symbol, which is the same key as the number 6 on the keyboard. And then here you have the left bracket 0, then dash 9 in a right bracket. And make sure to choose regular expressions. So here let's give it a try. I'll choose find next. So I went down a cell and it's telling me that in D4 it sees a match. Then if I choose replace, we see now in the formula bar it's just a number 2. Then I can go ahead and just choose replace all. And here it actually gives me a search results dialog telling me which cells and what the content of it is. And it tells me that a total of 31 results are found. I'll click close, and I can close this dialog as well. And so we're good to go. Now all the numbers in column D are actually numbers now. And you can continue on to either apply some mathematical formulas or certain functions to your numbers. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay nifty.